welcome to part 3 of my moving series. So today I'm going to be doing some last minute cleaning, packing, focusing on the kids' toys, and also showing you guys the progress that we've made as far as preparing for the movers and then also after they have come and gone. So hope you enjoy this one and let's get started. Alright, so to start, I'm just going to walk around some areas of the house and just show you guys the progress and what it's looking like. The pantry is officially ready for the first set of movers. The first set of movers are the ones that are packing everything up to go to the next house. The second set of movers are the ones that are coming to put everything else into storage. So everything you see on the countertops are what we want them to pack for the next house. Everything you see here is going to storage because the cabinet is just too heavy, and then everything over there in that corner, the trees and the decor, will be sent to the next house. The entryway table is about to be gone because we have sold it, but everything else I believe is going to the next house. As you can see, we took all of our black and white pictures off of the wall. I did that in the last video. At the top of the stairs, I have all of this stuff. This is all going to storage, and the black cabinet is going to the next house. I was moving a little too fast when I started finally packing my suitcases, so I did not film that process. It was a little hectic, but I'm just about done. Right now I have 3 suitcases. It looks a little chaotic, but everything is organized and I know where everything is. These are my 2 carry-ons. I have the LL Bean Boat and Tote in the size large. These 2 bags are definitely not ready to go just yet, but I already started filling them with some of the pouches that I know I'll be using. So my laptop will go in here, all of my chargers, my headphones, just my basic travel essentials. Same with my backpack. As far as the laundry room, all of the stuff on top of the washer and dryer will be packed to go to the next house. So my drawers are nice and empty, the cabinet under the sink is empty and ready to go. Picking back up in the kids' room from part 2. So I'm gonna start with covering their mattresses with these mattress protectors that I ordered off of Amazon. I actually ended up taking these off later on because we actually sold the bunk bed and they also wanted the mattresses, so I didn't end up using the mattress protector, so I have that stored away somewhere, but that's what I'm doing right now. And then we're gonna move on to their toys. So if your kids have a ton of little toys, I would definitely use small trash bags to organize all of that stuff in. Otherwise, I think the movers will just dump them into boxes and you would have to organize all of that stuff all over again when you move to your new house. So as for their Legos, they all are in these plastic containers, and I just kept them in there, put the top on and taped them down so that way the movers know not to take them out of the box. They just put them in the box, so whenever you get to where you're going, everything's still pretty organized. Now I'm just going through some of their random toy bins and taking out all of the Hot Wheels cars that belong in the plastic container, so everything will be organized when we get to where we're going. And everything else in these toy bins will go in trash bags, and then I'm gonna put the bag inside of the bin. While I was going through their toys and putting them into the bags, I did also do some decluttering. So this bag right here is all trash. Quickly gonna go through their board games, making sure all the parts and pieces are where they're supposed to be. I organize their board games in these little mesh baggies that I ordered from Amazon. They make things so much easier. It saves so much more space than having those big boxes stacked up. So what I do is take everything out of the box, put them into these mesh baggies, and they come in all different sizes. I cut the label off of the box and tape it onto the bag. If the game has smaller pieces, I put those in a smaller mesh bag inside of the larger bag. Showing you guys my travel jewelry box. It actually comes with this smaller travel size box inside, and I'm just going to use this for my everyday jewelry, and then all of my other jewelry will go into little velvet bags inside of the larger box. Here's a little overview of everything that I want the movers to pack to go to Bangkok. All of my clothes and shoes, handbags that are set out is ready for the movers. Everything else is either in my suitcases or hanging up in the closet for storage. Here's a look at our bathroom and all of Brandon's shoes that he's gonna take, along with a pile that's going to donations.
You're lying. Don't you try it, no. You really shouldn't play with fire.
The first set of movers have come and gone, and everything else is a mix of things that's going to storage or will be sold to somebody else. We don't have to worry about the dining room table and chairs along with the bar stools because those are staying here for the family that's moving in. And since we couldn't pack all of our furniture because of the weight limit, that cabinet in the corner along with the decor is going to storage. The cabinet is just too heavy, so we did have to pick and choose what we wanted to bring. I no longer have my vacuum or my mop or anything like that. That's already packed and gone. All I really have left is this broom. I'm dying to sweep because the floors are a mess from everybody coming in and out all day. Even though cleaners are coming the day we move out, I at least need to sweep the floors.
But you always know what's wrong with everyone else. How is that? You gonna have to call your friends, tell them that you're gonna be late, cause I'ma need you to explain. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying to be like you, but I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying to be like you, but I don't wanna be like you. Cause I could do better, I could do better, I could do better than that. And you should know better, you should know better, you should know better than that. I don't need help, I don't
just doing some last minute laundry. All of this stuff will be put in our suitcases. I'm gonna fold this up, but that is gonna be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.